Hello viewers, today I gonna show you how to get dark mode on Roblox after new update. To do this, after go to your Play Store. Now search bar. Now tap on search. Now search Roblox apps. Check your update. Roblox update it. Now go back. Now open Roblox apps. Now tap on three dot. Now scroll down. Now tap on settings. Now tap on device preference. Now tap on device label theme. Now tap on dark. Now go back. By doing process, you can successfully change light mode option in dark mode. Thank you.